Hey guys, I'm Sunita and I welcome you on another video today on my channel Lovable Plants. Today I talk about these beautiful flowers known as rain lily, also known as Zephyranthus robusta. These plants come in different colors. I have these plants in three colors: white, yellow and purple. These plants start blooming from late summer, that is beginning of the rainy season, and continue blooming throughout the fall. It is very easy to grow this plant as it does not need too much care. You need to pot these bulbs and keep watering whenever the soil gets dried. They don't need too much fertilizer. You can fertilize them with a handful of a mix of bone meal and vermicompost during their growing season, which is summer. You can fertilize them every 3 to 4 months. You need to place them outdoor in partial or full sun. My plants were placed in full sun throughout the summer. After the first rain of this season, they have started blooming. You can multiply these plants by sowing its seeds. When these flowers will get dried, then they will turn into black colored seeds. And you can grow these seeds in the garden soil. You can prepare soil mix by adding a portion of coco peat, vermicompost and bone meal in good quality garden soil. You can propagate them through bulbs also. Take out the bulb from one pot and plant it into another. Over the time, one bulb will get multiplied and produce many more bulbs and fill the pot. These plants don't need pruning. These plants may suffer from leather jackets, wereworms and millipedes. The best way to remove them is by cutting the leaves of the plants and placing them in sun. If it does not help, then they can be controlled by dusting the pot soil with benzene hexachloride or bromophos. The best time to grow these plants is at the beginning of spring when the danger of frost has passed. Foliage will begin to appear in a few weeks' time and flowers are produced in late summer. These plants don't like repotting. For best results, keep giving fertilizer every 3-4 months and they'll keep on blooming every year. If your planter gets overloaded with new bulbs like this planter, as you can see, then it's the time to do the repotting and give them a bigger pot. Always use shallow pots for planting these plants. They don't have big roots. The best time for repotting is early spring, but since I have missed it and these bulbs need more space, so we can do repotting during the rainy season as well. I have prepared the pot with garden soil, coco peat, vermicompost and bone meal. Now I will take out these bulbs and repot them in this container. Take one bulb and place it under the soil at least 1 inch deep. Take one after the other and plant all of them like this. Now this is done. You can see I have not removed top foliage from the plant. I have placed them as it is. Now I will place it in the shade for 1 week. Then I'll put it in full sun. So this is all about rain lily or Zephyranthus robusta. If you like this video, then please press the like button, and to see more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.